Good morning students. Welcome to the today's session. In the previous class we have already knew some information about the lesson The Gift of the Magi. Today I am going to continue the lesson. In the previous session you have already known about the pair which is mentioned in the lesson. That is Della and Jim. Della wanted to purchase a Christmas gift for her husband, but she did not have enough money. So what she decided? She had decided to sell her hair and for the remaining money and to purchase a nice gift. At the same time, she went to the parlor and she cut off her hair, and then she got $20 for her hair, and she ransacking all the shops and she selected a platinum fob chain for Jim. It was so beautiful and it was like Jim in simplicity and also in the attractiveness and also the precious metal. And also she came to her home, and now she was waiting for her husband who was coming in the evening after his daily work. So that day also he arrived at the flat at 7 o'clock, and then she was waiting at the door to show that gift to him. And when he came inside, she opened the door and he came inside. So his eyes fixed upon Della, and he became very surprised by seeing her. So then she used to tell the truth, what she had sold her hair only to present a gift for him, and she could not live without giving a gift for him. Up to this you have studied in the previous session. And then after long time he took his consciousness. He was under pressure because he was only 22 years old, and with his small age he had the burden of his whole family, and he was poor, he was not so rich. So it took some time to come to an understanding about his wife Della. So up to this you have studied in the previous class. Out of his trance, Jim seemed quickly to wake. So now Della told him she sold her hair, and it could be grow. So her hair were in numbers. She used to make him to understand. Then the trance means mental stress. Trance means mental stress. He came out of his mental stress. Jim seemed quickly to wake. He enfolded. Enfolded means he hugged Della. He hugged his wife Della for 10 seconds. Let us regard with discreet scrutiny some inconsequential object in other direction. So he knew about the truth that his wife sold hair only to purchase a nice gift for him. Then he started to criticize himself, criticize the inconsequent objects. And then $8 a week or $1 million a year, what is the difference? Here the writer is going to talk about the person who earn $1 per week, $1 million for a year, $1 million a year. So what is the difference? If you ask a question to the wit, intelligent person, or to the mathematician who could give the wrong answer. So what answer he may give? The million a year, he is more precious. But if a love if the matter of love and affection came, whether it may be $1 or it may be $1 million, so more valuable is love or the affection. So if you ask this question to the mathematician or the wit or the clever, he could give the wrong answer. The author is going to tell about this. What is the difference? A mathematician or a wit. Wit means clever person or an intelligent person who could give the wrong answer. The Magi brought valuable gifts. The value of that gifts is more valuable than the money which she had spent. So the love at her husband is more valuable than the money and also the salary which her husband earned a year or a week. The Magi brought valuable gifts, but that was not among them. And which could give a wrong answer. The Magi brought valuable gift, but that was not among them. This dark assertion means the statement, assertion means statement, will be illuminated later on. Illuminated means understood later on. They have to understood that the money is not valuable than the love and affection. So love towards her husband is more valuable than the money. So this dark assertion, this statement came to understand later. Jim drew a package from his overcoat pocket and threw it upon the table. So he also brought something for his wife to give the Christmas gift. So what he did? He drew a package. He took a package from his overcoat pocket and then he threw it. He put it upon the table. Then don't make any mistake. Dell, he said about me. So he brought something. She did not know what the gift really was. So he told that don't make mistake about me because I have brought something, whether it is usable or not. I didn't know. Don't make any mistake, Dell, he said about me. I don't think there is anything in the way of a haircut or a shave or a shampoo that could make me like my girl any less. So don't think mistake about me. So I never thought that if you cut your hair, if you shampooed your hair, if you shaved your hair, you would not be less to me. You are greater value in my life. You are the valuable person in my life. But it will, if you will unwrap this package, unwrap means open. He put one package, isn't it? So if you unwrap it, unwrap means open. If you open that package, you may say why you had me going a while at first. I left the house before you. In the morning, I left the house. I went outside from my house before you. So, if you unwrap that package, if you open that package, then you come to understand why I left home much earlier than you. Then, white fingers. Who had the white fingers? Della had the white fingers. Her white finger, she put her fingers on that package and she started to open it or undo it or tore her napper. She opened that package. White fingers and nibble toe. Nibble toe means they are active. Her active fingers, her white fingers and active fingers, they started to open that package or the string on that paper. White fingers and nibble toe at the string and paper. She put her fingers on the string at the paper and then an ecstatic scream. Ecstatic means extreme joy or she became excited when she saw that package. When she opened that package, she became extremely happy. She became extremely excited and scream of joy. Joy means happiness. She became very happy and she became very glad when she saw that package. And then a loss means again she started to came towards an assertion that the packet is very valuable. The gift is most beautiful but which could not be useful at the present. So then she felt sorry about that gift. A loss, a quick feminine change. Feminine change means first she started to become glad. After that she started to cry. That feminine scream changed to hysterical tears and wails. Wails means loud cry. So first she started to laugh or first she started to be glad when she saw the paper, when she saw those package or that present, and then she started to cry because necessitating the immediate employment of all comforting powers of the lord of the flat. Who was the lord of the flat? Jim. Jim brought something which is comfortable for her, but at that time the gift was not usable. She could not be used, that gift at the present. So first she became very glad. She felt very joy by seeing that gift. Suddenly she took a hysterical way. She started to cry. Let me stop. Take down the today's homework. See here. 8th question, 9th question, 10th question, 11th, 12, 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have to answer these questions 2 times in your homework book.